If you've been invited to join a Meta Business Manager account, it means someone has given you access to help manage their business assets. This can include things like Facebook pages, ad accounts, and other tools depending on your role. Most of the time, you will receive this invite by email from Meta or Facebook. Open your inbox and look for a message with a link to accept the invitation. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find email, click the Get Started or Accept Invitation button. This will take you to the Meta Business Manager login page, where you'll need to sign in. After logging in, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm access. Click Accept to join the business account. Once accepted, you'll gain access to the assets that were assigned to you that if you can't find the invitation, go to business.facebook.com and log in. From there, check your account for any pending invitations. Also make sure you're using the correct Facebook account that the invite was sent to. After accepting the invite, you'll be taken to the Meta Business Manager dashboard. From here, you can start managing pages, ads, and other tools based on your role. If everything loads correctly, you're all set.